Okay, here's my the Enema kit or the stainless, and I bought like 1,800. The last one we bought is like almost 4,000. So this one I try, and this one from China. The last one we bought is from Australia, but this one is good for price. I'll see. Coffee that I make. Cute. If you know how to use this, really good for you. And Edel's timer. So it's like $50. And see. So the price is really good. Oh wow. This one is the mirror. The price is 1,800, and I researched about it. It says 304, so you can see 304. That's the quality of the steel. Because I bought it last time, it was like almost 4,700. Like it's like 5,000. But this one is pretty good price. So I've been research about it. So if you want to save money, I think this one's good. Really nice quality. You can see nice quality. You just had to lock it together. So it comes with okay. Comes with the instruction. Wait. This one, as I told you guys, it says 304. So when you buy a cheaper one, at least it's a 304 stainless. The quality, the higher grade of steel. I think there's more than this, but for the price, it's really good. And I was surprised. We used to buy like this in the US, but I was nice that they have also here in Lazada in the Philippines. But before I bought also in Lazada, as I told you guys, is like 4,000 plus is from Australia, and it was not like this style, but it was just only like this. But this one is for $50, 2,000. You can just do like that. If you know how to use it, you're good. So you can research how to do coffee enemas. It's really good for you and help you to clean. And here, as you can see, it's up to you guys. You have to really learn how to do it. So and we normally use the coffee, organic coffee. Also, we bought it in Lazada. So yeah, you have to really sure you have organic coffee. I've been learning about garden therapy. So yeah, and when you're sick, you can use it, or you don't have to be wait for us to be sick. But this product is first time I bought, and I like it. Hope you guys If you have a question, just let me know. And this one, I like it. Yeah.